Hello students, welcome to Learn Guru classes. So today we are going to solve some problems related to lines and angles. So a video has already been uploaded with the basics of lines and angles. So if you have any doubt, you can check the video. So without further delay, let's start the numericals. The first theorem is if a ray of light stands on a line, then the sum of the adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. Okay, so this is the figure. So let me try to explain what is there in the statement. Okay, so AB is a line. Okay, AB is a line. So CD is one ray that is standing on the line. Okay, so if you see here, so CD actually cuts this angle into two parts, angle AOD and angle DOC. So these are adjacent angles because they have this common arm. The non-common arms are lying on the opposite sides of the common arm and they have the common vertex. Okay, so here we can say that angle ACD and angle BCD are adjacent angles. So you are to prove that the sum of these adjacent angles, that is angle ACD plus angle DCB, will give us 180 degree. Okay, so first of all we will write that let AB is a line and CD is a ray standing on AB. Okay, so therefore angle ACD and angle BCD are adjacent angles. Okay, are adjacent angles. Okay, now we along with this figure we cannot prove the statement. Okay, so you have to draw some or you have to do some extra modification in this existing diagram so that it becomes more easier for you to solve the sum. So for that we go for construction. Okay, just to ease our proof, our way of solving the sum. Okay, so what we do here, construction, is that we are drawing a line EC parallel to AB. So we write that EC is drawn, EC parallel to AB is drawn. Okay, now let us come to the actual proof. Okay, so if you see here, proof, angle ACD, right? So angle ACD is made up of this angle ACE and angle ECD, right? So we can write that angle ACD equals to angle ACE plus angle ECD. Okay, it's clear to all. This and this sum will give us complete ACD. Now, ACD. Now, ACE is 90 degree, as you can see clearly. CE is drawn perpendicular to AB. So, this is 90 degree. So, this is 90 degree plus angle ECD. Okay. So, keep this is equation 1. Okay. We will keep this as a halt. Okay. After that, we will go. So, main thing is that what you are to do, you are to find out that to prove that the adjacent angles, that is angle ACD plus angle BCD, will give us 180 degree. Now, if you look at angle BCD, so BCD is what? Is the part of the total angle BCE minus angle ECD, right? Angle BCD. This angle BCD is what? Is just a part of angle, complete angle BCE and this part minus angle ECD. Okay. So what will you write here? You will write that angle BCE is 90 degree and minus angle ECD is given only. Okay. So this is angle BCD. Okay. So here you are to write why this angle is 90 degrees, since CE perpendicular to AB. That reason you are to give. Okay. Against anything you write in geometry, you have to give the complete justification. Why is it so? So here also CE is perpendicular to AB. So for that, angle BCE is 90 degree. Here also ACE is 90 degree for this reason, CE perpendicular to AB. Now if you do 1 plus 2, since we are to prove that angle ACD and BCD will give us 180 degrees, so let us do angle ACD plus angle BCD equals to 90 degree plus angle ECD plus 90 degree minus angle ECD. So this and this we can cancel. So this will give us 180 degree. So hence we can prove that the adjacent angles, that is angle ACD and angle BCD, will give us 180 degree. So hence this is. The second question is, prove that the sum of all the angles formed on the same side of a line at a given point on the line is 180 degree. Okay. So what does that mean? That means that suppose AOB is a line. Okay. So it's already given that AOB is a line. Okay. Now this line, from this line, okay, some rays are standing on it. So as it is given, OC, OD and OE are the rays standing on the line AOB. So the sum of all the angles formed by these rays will give us 180 degree. Okay. So it's very simple. So we will write that let AOB is a straight line, and rays OC, OD, OE are the rays standing on AOB. Okay. So the angles formed by OCR, angles formed by OCR what? Angle AOC and angle COD. Okay. Angles formed by ODR, angle OD, this angle. So this angle, okay, and this angle DOE. So angle COD and angle DOE. Angles formed by OER, angle DOE and angle EOD. Now you are to prove that the sum of angle AOC, OCD, DOE and EOD will give us complete 180 degrees. So you are to prove, what are you to prove? Prove that angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle DOE plus angle EO, this will be EOB, okay, EOB will give us 180 degree. Okay. So there is nothing much for the construction. You don't need to construct anything. So we will straightway go to the proof. Okay. So in proof, let us say that OC is a ray standing on AOB. Okay. So suppose OC is a ray, we are forgetting all the other rays. Okay. All the other rays, we will just concentrate on OC. Okay. OC. So this OC, suppose this is a ray OC standing on AOB. So what are the angles formed now? The adjacent angles are angle AOC and angle BOC. Okay. So we will write that angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles, okay, and they completely form 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Okay. Now if you come to this figure, okay, if you come to this figure, you see that angle BOC, that is this is splitted up into angle COD, angle DOE and angle EOB due to the three rays. So in place of this we can write what? In place of angle BOC, just we can replace it with angle BOC can be replaced with the sum of angle COD plus angle DOE plus angle EOB will be 180 degree, and this is the thing that you are asked to prove. So you have already proved the statement. The next question is, in the adjoining figure, AOB is a straight line. Find angle AOC and angle BOD. So as you all can see, AOB is a straight line, right? So it measures 180 degree. So what are you asked to find? Angle AOC, that is this angle, okay? This angle, and angle BOD, that is this angle. Okay. So as you can clearly see that angle AOC, angle COD and angle DOB, if you add these three angles, it will give you complete 180 degree. Okay. So we will write angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD gives us complete 180 degree. Okay. So angle AOC is, what is the measure of angle AOC? It's already given to you, that is x, okay, plus COD is how much? 65 degree, and angle BOD is how much? 2x minus 20 degree. So these are the information that is given to you in this question. Okay. So x plus 2x will give you 3x, and 65 minus 20 degree will give you how much? 45 degree. So this makes us 180 degree. So this is 3x. You can shift 45 degree to the right hand side, that is 180 degree minus 45 degree, that is 135 degree. Okay. So x is 135 degree by 3. So that will give you 45 degree. Okay. So angle AOC, what is given is x. So simply you will write the measurement of angle AOC is 45 degree, and angle BOD is given as twice x minus 20 degree. Okay. So in place of x, just replace it with 45 degree minus 20 degree, that is 90 degree minus 20 degree, that is 70 degree. So angle AOC gives you 45 degree and angle BOD gives you 70 degree. So let's move on to the next question. So it's given that in the adjoining figure, what value of x will make AOB is a straight line. So this is already a straight angle that is given. Angle AOB is a straight angle. Okay. So you are to find out the value of x. It's very simple. What will you write? Angle, see here, angle AOC and angle COB gives us complete straight angle, that is AOB. So we will write angle AOC plus angle COB gives us angle AOB. Okay, so angle AOC is how much? 3x plus 5 and COB is how much? Twice x minus 25 degree, that is, this gives you 180 degree. So this is 5x minus 20 degree, that is 180 degree, right? So this is 5x, shift to 20 degree to the right hand side, 180 degree plus 20 degree. So this gives you 5x equal to 200 degree. So x gives you 40 degree. Okay, so the measurement of the value of x is 40 degree. The next question is, in the given figure, lines XY and LM intersect at O. If angle XOL is A, angle LOP is B, angle POY is 90 degree, and angle XOM is C, and A is to B is 2:3, find the value of C. Okay, so two lines are there, that is XY and LM. So both of them intersect at the point O. Okay, so as a result, the angles that are formed are angle XOL, that is given as A, angle LOP, that is not formed by XL and LM, but it's given that it's B, angle POY is 90 degree and angle XOM is C, and A is to B is 2:3. So find the value of C. Okay, so here if you see, only the concrete measurement of angle given is, that is angle POY, that is 90 degree, and other rest of the hints are not given to us. Okay, so we are to use A is to B equals to 2:3 as weapon. So we can write that A equals to 2x, okay, by the concept of ratio, and B equals to 3x. Okay. Now if you see, this angle XOL, angle POL and angle POY will complete sum will give us 180 degree. So we can write that angle XOL plus angle LOP plus angle POY equals to 180 degree. Okay, so angle XOL is 2x, or let's write it as A because it's given as A, angle LOP as B, and angle POY is 90 degree, that is 180 degree. Okay, so A we can write it as 2x, B we can write it as 3x, and this if you shift here 180 degree minus 90 degree, that is 90 degree. Okay, so this is 5x equals to 90 degree. Okay, so x is 90 degree by 5, that is 18 degree. Okay, sorry, 18 degree. Okay, now if you see, A is how much? 2 into 18, that is 36 degree, and B is how much? 3 into 18, that is 54 degree. Thus we have found out the measurement of A and B. But what are we supposed to do? We are to find out the measurement of C, that is this angle. Now, if you see here, LM is a straight line, right? LM is a straight line. So, OX is a ray standing on LM, right? So, this ray makes two adjacent angles, that is ALOX, okay, and MOX are the two adjacent angles, and these two gives us 180 degree. So we can write that angle XOL plus angle MOX equals to 180 degree, right? Since LM is a straight line and OX is a ray standing on it, and this and this are adjacent angles, and sum of them will give us 180 degree, right? So angle XOL is, already we know, that is A, that is this is 36 degree, and angle MOX is obviously it's not known to us, okay. So angle MOX equals to 180 degree minus 36 degree, that is it will give us 144 degree. Okay, so the measurement of angle MOX is C, that is 144 degree. The next sum is, in the given figure, if x plus y equals to y plus z, z plus w, then prove that AOB is a straight line. Okay, so if you see, if you consider O as a point, okay, so since O is a point, so the rays that is coming out from O, that is OA is a ray, OC is a ray, OB is a ray, OD is a ray, okay. So all of them, the sum of all of them will give us what? 360 degree, okay. So what can we write? Angle AOC plus angle BOC plus angle BOD plus angle AOD will give us 360 degree. Okay. So angle AOC is Y, angle BOC is X, angle BOD is W, and angle AOD is Z equals to 360 degree. Okay, 360 degree. So what are you asked to find out? You are asked to find out that you are to prove that AOB is a straight angle or a straight line. So if this measurement of this and this, see, if you see AB, AOB, okay, so OC is a ray standing on the line AB, okay, and this gives us the two adjacent angle is X and Y, okay. So if we can write X plus Y equals to 180 degree, if we can prove, then we can say that AOB is a straight angle, okay. So this is also very easy because the condition is already given to you that X plus Y equals to Z plus W, okay. So in place of X plus Y, let us keep it intact, and Z plus W, you can write it as X plus Y equals to 360 degree. So this is 2x plus y equals to 360 degree. So this is x plus y equals to 180 degree. So from that you can say that therefore AOB is a line. Proved. The next question is, in the given figure, the two lines intersect at a point O. So these two lines AB and CD intersect at this point O, okay, such that angle BOC is 125 degree. Find the values of X, Y and Z. So as you already know that when two lines intersect, okay, they form vertically opposite angles. So these and these are vertically opposite angles, and these are vertically opposite angles. So here also same thing is occurring. AB and CD are the two lines that is intersecting at this point O. Okay, so this and this are vertically opposite angles, and this are vertically opposite angles. Okay, now as you all know that vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, so from this we can say that this angle Y is equal to 125 degree. Okay, so we can write that angle AOD and angle BOC are vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle AOD equals to angle BOC. Okay, so angle AOD is how much? Y. Angle BOC is how much? 125 degree. So Y measures 125 degree. Now as you can see, this angle AOD and angle AOD and angle BOD makes a straight angle. Okay, so we can write that angle AOD plus angle BOD gives us 180 degree. Okay, so AOD measures how much? Y. Angle BOD measures how much? Z. So this is 180 degree. Okay. So Y is how much? Y it's already given. You have already found out. This is 125 degree plus Z, that is 180 degree. So Z measures 180 degree minus 125 degree, that is 55 degree. And also you write here, since vertically here Y equal to 125 degree. Why Y has become 125 degree? Because vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, equal. So Z measures 55 degree. Okay, so angle, see here, angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. These and these angles are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles, okay. So we can write vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, that is angle AOC is X and angle BOD is Z, and Z measures already 55 degree. So the measurement of X is 55 degree. So here we have found out the value of X, the value of Y and the value of Z. The next question is, in the given figure, A, B, C, D and E, F are three lines concurrent at O. Find the value of Y. Okay. Now the interesting thing is that three lines intersect. Okay. So AB, the thing you have to see is that, see here, AB and EF intersect, and thus they form vertically opposite angles. Then you see CD and EF intersect, CD and EF intersect, and you see that AB and CD intersect. Okay, so three lines mutually intersect each other. Okay, now you are to find out the value of Y. Okay, so now how will you find out? Same, we have to use the concept of vertically opposite angles. Okay, so here you write down, since AB and EF intersect. So we can say that angle EOB and angle AOF are vertically opposite angles, right? So vertically opposite angles are always equal. So angle EOB equals to angle AOF, since vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So AOF is already given as 5y, right? So angle EOB also becomes 5y, since both of them are equal. So this becomes as 5y. Okay. Now here what are you asked to find out? You are asked to find out the value of y. Okay. Now the interesting thing is that if you see angle COE, okay, angle EOB and angle BOD, three of them, if you add them up, that will give you a straight angle. Okay. So I will write angle COE plus angle EOB plus angle BOD will give me 180 degree. Okay. So this is angle COE is 2y plus angle EOB is 5y. You have already found out vertically opposite angle to this. So this is 5y and angle BOD is 2y. Okay. So this gives us 180 degree. So 2y plus 5y plus 2y gives us 9y equals to 180 degree. So y is 20 degree. The value of y is 20 degree. So the next sum is in the given figure, three lines AB, CD and EF intersect at the point O such that angle AOE is 35 degree, angle BOD is 40 degree. Okay, so you are asked to find out the value of angle AOC, angle BOF, angle COF and angle DOE. So four values you are to find out. Okay, now the thing that comes to our mind is that, okay, this angle angle AOE, angle EOD and angle BOD gives us a straight angle, means the sum of these three angles. So we can write angle AOE plus angle EOD plus angle BOD is 180 degree. Okay, so angle AOE is already given to us, that is 35 degree. Angle EOD is not known to us. You are to find out the value of angle EOD. And angle BOD is what? 40 degree, right? So this is 180 degree. So 35 degree plus 40 degree, that is 75 degree plus angle EOD equals to 180 degree. So angle EOD equals to 180 degree minus 75 degree, that is 105 degree. Okay, so now angle EOD and angle COF are vertically opposite angles, right? Can you say this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles? Why? Because since EF and CD intersect at point O, so angle COF and angle EOD are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so we can write angle COF equals to angle EOD equals to 105 degree. Okay, now you see that this becomes 105 degree. So this is 105 degree. Okay. Now another thing to note is that, see here, AB and CD intersect, right? So AB and CD intersect at point O. So we can say that angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. I am writing in short form just to save the space, but you are to write it in full form. Okay. So angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. So these are equal. So angle BOD is 40 degree. So angle AOC will also be 40 degree. Okay. So this gives us 40 degree. Now, if you see here, EF and AB intersect. Okay. So, EF and AB intersect at point O. So, what will happen? So, angle AOE, so this and this line intersect. So, what are the vertically opposite angles formed? This angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. So, angle AOE and angle what? BOF are vertically opposite angles. So, angle AOE equals to angle BOF will give us 35 degree. So, see here, angle AOC is how much? 100 and angle AOC is 40 degree. Angle BOF is 35 degree. Angle COF is 105 degree and angle DOE already we have found out, this is also 105 degree. So here we have found out the measurement of 4 unknown angles.